Hi everyone. Did you know that your heart beats over 1 lakh times per day? That's incredible, right? But here is something even more amazing. Nearly 80% of the heart diseases can be prevented with some simple lifestyle changes. Today, I am going to share 5 daily habits backed by latest research that can make your heart stronger and healthier. And the best part is, these are not just some complicated procedures or expensive supplements. They are just some simple lifestyle changes that you can start doing today itself. So, if you want a healthy heart and lead a longer life, stick around until the end of this video. Hi, I am Aditi. I am certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. The first habit is movement. According to recent research, you don't need to run a marathon or spend hours at the gym. The American Heart Association recommends just 150 minutes of physical activity per week. That breaks down to 30 minutes of exercise a day, which is 5 days a week. Exercise strengthens your heart muscle, improves blood circulation, helps control blood sugar, and reduces stress. Studies show that regular movement can reduce your risk of heart disease by up to 19%. Research found that just 5 minutes of walk after every half an hour can lower down your blood sugar level and your high blood pressure as well. So, stand up and walk around your office, classroom, home, or wherever you are right now. And trust me, your heart will definitely thank you for this. Remember, some movement is always better than more. Habit number 2 is all about what you put on your plate. Your heart needs fuel to work properly, and the quality of that fuel matters a lot. Recent research emphasizes on eating whole foods instead of ultra processed foods. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, beans, legumes, nuts, seeds, whole grains that are rich in complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Ultra processed foods are linked to increased risk of heart diseases, obesity, and diabetes. We are talking about foods with long ingredients list, added sugars, excess sodium, and artificial colors. On the other hand, the DASH diet emphasizes on fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and other foods that contain less sodium. These foods are proven to lower down your high blood pressure. The Mediterranean diet also focuses on whole foods that are proven to reduce the risk of heart diseases in the near future. So, instead of going for processed foods, go for those foods that are whole, natural, and of course are healthy for your heart. This habit is often overlooked, but it's crucial. It's about getting enough good quality of sleep. Most of the people needs at least 7 hours of deep sleep every single night. It's because Poor sleep contributes to high blood pressure, obesity, and increased risk of heart diseases. But when you get enough deep sleep, your high blood pressure naturally drops to normal, giving your heart and blood vessels time to rest and repair. Without enough sleep, your body stays in a constant state of stress, which can damage your cardiovascular system over time. So, in order to improve your sleep quality, you can keep a consistent sleep schedule by sleeping and waking up at the same time. Keep your gadgets away from your bed at least 2 hours before going to sleep. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid caffeine intake after 2 p.m. and try some relaxation techniques before going to sleep, like deep breathing or meditation. Think of your sleep like a medicine for your heart. Just like you would not skip your medication, exactly in the same way, do not skip your sleep if you want to keep your heart healthy. Habit number 4 might surprise you. It's stress management. A major study confirmed that psychological stress can significantly increase your risk of having heart diseases. Here is what really happens. Chronic stress causes inflammation in your body, raises your blood pressure, and it can even trigger heart attacks in the people who already have heart diseases. The good news is you can fight back with simple stress management techniques like exercise regularly, practice meditation or mindfulness, spend some time in nature, maintain connections with your friends and family, keep a gratitude journal, and try some deep breathing exercises like box breathing or 4-7-8 breathing technique. According to Harvard Medical School research, stress management techniques that can give the relaxation response can reduce your inflammation and protect your heart. So, make stress management as a part of your daily routine, as if your heart literally depends on it. The fifth and the last habit is surprisingly very simple. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking enough water. A groundbreaking study found that staying well hydrated throughout the day may reduce the long-term risk of developing heart failure by up to 25 years later. When you are properly hydrated, your blood flows more easily. This means that your heart does not have to work as hard to pump blood throughout your body. But when you are dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker, your heart has to pump the blood harder, and your blood pressure can also increase. But your requirement of water depends on your activity level, climate, and your health condition as well. So, drink adequate amount of water according to your body's requirement. And for this, you can just carry a water bottle everywhere you go. Drink 1 glass of water right after waking up. You can also eat foods that are rich in water, and do check your urine color. If it's pale yellow, then you are properly hydrated. But if it's dark in color, then you need to drink more water. Remember, don't wait until you are completely thirsty. Thirst is actually just a late sign of dehydration. So, stay hydrated if you want to enhance your heart health. So, there you have it. 5 simple daily habits that can make your heart stronger as well as healthier. Move your body regularly. Eat whole foods instead of processed foods. Sleep at least 7 hours every single night. Manage your stress daily and stay hydrated. That's all. The beautiful thing about these habits is you don't need to be perfect. Just start with one habit this week and then add another habit next week. Remember, heart disease is largely preventable. These lifestyle choices that you make today will determine your heart health 10, 20 and even 30 years from now. So, take care of your heart health and it will take care of you for the entire life. Do let me know in the comment section, out of those 5 daily habits, which of them are you going to try in order to enhance your heart functioning. If you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also add these 5 simple daily habits in order to keep their heart healthy. And if you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.